What is up, beautiful friends? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me in this week's video, in which I'm gonna be trying out something new, and let's just get straight into the video. Now, if you saw my recent video, you know that my friend and I went kind of shopping around trying to find a headpiece or hairpiece, whatever you call it. And we actually did end up finding it, and I promise that I will be back to show you guys what it looked like. That is the reason why we are here today, and it's to kind of like show you guys what I got, and I want to install it and yeah, and show you guys what I'll be working with. So this is my hair, and as you know, I blow dried and flat ironed my hair a month ago, y'all, and this is still currently it's kind of straightened still. The reason why I have some waves to it is because I had in like two plaits, like two cornrows, and yeah, so that explains the waves that you see going on here. But I'm loving it, and it's unfortunate that it's coming to an end. I wasn't ready for it, but like, hello, a month plus, my hair needs some washing. And keep in mind, I haven't moisturized my hair, never. I haven't moisturized my hair at all since I straightened my hair, and I guess it's doing pretty good. Okay, so let me show you guys the hair that my sister Nat made me get. Okay, what we found, because we weren't kind of finding anything. We weren't finding the hair that she got, because she got a hair, and I'm discovering it with you guys. So it's called the Instant Pony Wrap. Yes, and it's a braided one, and actually I have no idea how to install this, but it's kind of telling you right in a bag, so I'll try to follow those instructions. I mean, it shouldn't be that hard, right? Okay, so I took the 1B, and the hair is kind of wavy. Let's check it out. So this is what we're working with. We have some, well, more waves. We're gonna add waves to these waves. Yeah, and I guess you have to wash these kind of things before using them, but since I'm just gonna wear it for this video and this video only, because I'm not going anywhere special, it's not like it's bad or something, right? So anyways, this is the hair. It's gorgeous. It's, I don't know how many inches, 26 inches. Oh my god. So this is it. Okay, so this is the hair, and like I said, we have a braided like detail kind of going on here. I guess this is the thing we're gonna wrap. So let's get this open. Let's bear with me. Oops, okay, like this. Okay, so this should be easy, right? Okay, this is what we got. So we got the kind of, I don't know what this is called, but you get the idea. We have some hook, well, one hook right here, and you turn this around. You wrap this around here, and then you wrap this over. Anyways, let's get straight into the video. Let's stop talking. Let's detangle this hair. I can't believe I'm gonna apply some gel to this straight hair. Oh my god, I'm gonna miss it. It's kind of like very tangled at the back. Okay, so the way I kind of want this, and the way my friend suggested I go about this, she said that I should do a side part, right? So let's try the side part thingy, and let's try. Honestly, I don't want to gel this down. Like, I'm not gonna gel it down. Okay, so like this. Okay guys, so this is pretty much it. Keep in mind that I'm not going anywhere. I just installed this for the purpose of this video to kind of show you guys what it looked like. This is my first time trying this ponytail hair wrap. So yeah, I have this situation in which, because the hair is thinner than mine, you kind of see like a big puff here, but that is because my hair is like in the middle of all of this. I don't know if you can see it, but honestly, if I'm wearing this at night, I don't think that it would be visible. And overall, I find it's very cute, a quick hairstyle. Of course, I would have to kind of like smooth down my edges and do a cleaner ponytail, and yeah, but this is kind of it. I'll have to of course wear some earrings because yeah, this is looking too naked. Honestly, it's kind of what I've expected. I paid $16 for this, and like I said, 26 inches long, which is very long. I might end up cutting some of it because all of this is too much. Like it reaches down to my, and yeah, it's just too much hair. But like I said, if I were to wear this like to go to some event or something or somewhere, or even on those lazy days where I don't know what to do with my hair or how to style my hair, of course I would go the extra mile to make this look like something, because right about now it's just, you know, to give you an idea. Okay, so please don't judge me if it's not super neat, super perfect, super like edged down. Not edged down, but you get what I'm saying. Super like slick down, that's the word. So if it's not super slick down, don't judge me, okay? It's part of the process. And like I said, since my hair is puffed out, I have this situation going on here, but I don't know how. I guess I would have to like do this hairstyle, put this ponytail on stretch hair. Like there's no way I can do this with my normal hair texture. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Let me know if you will be purchasing one of these, and if you are, probably, yeah, it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. $16, a quick thing to go out. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in next week's video.